Hello everyone, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a phone strap tutorial. Okay, let's go. I have here, this is 40 cm 5 mm thickness, okay, and this one is 20 cm same thickness, and I have here 25 cm each 2 mm thickness. Okay, let's start. We're going to melt this, melt and connect. Okay, press it. Then we're going to tie. I'm going to secure this. Okay, about 6 rounds. Three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's it. Then pull this one. There you are. Then melt this one. Then we have to do the same here, melt and connect them. Okay, that's it. Then same thing. No, it's this way, sorry. Secure it. Four, 5, 6. Okay. Pull. Okay, that's it. Okay, secure this belt. Okay, that's it. Then like this, connect these two. There you are. Then put the keyring. That's it. Nice. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it. Okay, please like, comment. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you so much. This one is another one. This one is seam length. This is 30 cm. This is 30 cm. With this one, this is 40 and this is 20. So you can do either way. They still look the same. Look beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.